Hi all, a very good evening to all of you. I'm Nirmal Shah. I'm founder of Prism Advisory. It's the firm which started in 2018. Prism Advisory is a sector-focused mid-market boutique investment banking and financial advisory firm. We differentiate ourselves as being a unique firm which focus on certain sectors. So we are extremely focused on some of the sectors in which we operate. Our focus areas are education, real estate, sustainability, and healthcare. What we do in these sectors is essentially help companies in doing mergers and acquisitions. So, mergers and acquisition, divestment, investment, joint ventures, or a partnership in these sectors, as well as help them in raising capital. So, be it equity capital, debt capital, private equity, structure financing, or term financing for their projects. In addition to this, we also help companies in setting up the entire investment structure for their transactions. Which includes essentially commercially structuring the entire transaction as well as setting up their vehicles for doing a particular deals. I'll talk a little bit about our team. So we are a lean team of four partners. All of us comes from a background of 15 to 20 years working with a financial institution, investment houses, or large corporates actually, or MNC banks. So my background is I had worked with JM Morgan Stanley. Then I spent time with State Bank of India's capital market team. I spent time with Ryan International Group of Institution as their global head for strategy as well as business. And I'd spent some time in Bahrain with Global Banking Corporation. Another partner of mine who is based here in Dubai with me is ex-CIO of GII REIT, which is a real estate REIT. He had spent time with ICICI Bank in past and private equity core level store. In addition to that, my other two partners have spent time with Citibank, IDBI Capital Markets, FinCorp, and Thrive Bank in region as well as outside. As far as our presence is concerned, we are in UAE, so we have an office in Dubai, we have an office in Mumbai in India. We plan to set up an office in Oman very soon. And then we have a collaboration partners in San Diego in US and in Vienna in Austria. That's predominantly for global real estate sourcing. IBPC members can reach out to us who are operating in these sectors or who has an interest to get into these sectors to help in terms of getting any sort of insights, ideas from us. We can help them in any of their business ideas, or in terms of having any sort of a requirements on the M&A side or on the capital raising side. In addition, if anyone is looking to invest into global real estate, which was predominantly institutional in nature, please reach out to us. We have a very good network to source some of these transactions and help you in acquiring these. We would love to have coffee with you. Please, I would encourage members to come to us and probably share some, have some ideas from us, and then we can help in implementing it. Thank you so much, and I look forward to interact with more members. Thank you.